Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Aries, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, guys, and this card is for your career situation. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, Aries, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. First, let's start with these cards here. So we have Page of Suns in reverse, Seven of Stars, and Seven of Moons in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, Aries, it may be in your career situation or it may be in this relationship, guys. So in your situation, guys, you feel stuck, some kind of obstacles or troubles are there. You feel that you are unable to decide properly, maybe there is someone changing your mind or influencing your decisions today. So this person is quite important to you, someone holding the power over you. Maybe they are your mentor or your parent or sibling, someone close to you, really close to you, and they are influencing you and you are unable to decide the right things for you, for your life. Maybe it may be a situation in your work or it may be some situation in this relationship, guys. So you cannot decide and you feel stuck, unable to go on the right path, guys, and you are just waiting to make that right decision. But you are someone who has that strong will and determination, and you are you want to make decisions which will work for you, and you have great plans for yourself and a great vision for your future and dreams. You have a lot of dreams, guys, Aries, but you need to be really careful, guys, because if you go on just thinking about your dreams, you are just neglecting what is there practically right in front of you in your life, in your present. So you should be aware of what is there right in front of you, guys. You should not just live in your dreams alone. You should be grounded, think about your present situation also. Only then you are going to be successful. If you just live in the dream world, just hoping things will go in a particular way and just expecting things to go in a particular way and going for that extravagant dreams for yourself, you are not going to succeed. You have to make that efforts also. Not only strong will and determination is necessary, also the determination to put in lot of efforts and be grounded in your situation today, guys, because with these cards I see that you are just hoping for a bright future, but you are not grounded, seeing things, whatever is happening today in your life right in front of you. And I also see that today there is someone coming you with something. It may be some kind of a suggestion. So we were previously also I was talking about someone influencing you. So it may be worrying you, but it may be something good for you, for your situation today, guys. Maybe if you listen to their advice, you are going to avoid a lot of difficulties. So you need to be really careful, guys. Whatever dreams are you have, it may be so great, it may be so good, whatever aspirations you have, if you want success, you have to proceed with caution, Aries. That is what I see, guys, with these cards. So it may be in your work situation, or it may be in your relationship. If you want a beautiful relationship with this person, you must be careful. Just instead of just living in a fantasy world, you have to see what is the truth in this relationship, and be willing to work in this relationship to make it work, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Alchemist of Spheres. So with this card, guys, in your relationship, this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So they feel that they feel really comfortable with you guys, and they feel you are someone who is kind hearted, helpful, and creative. So that is what I see, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Temperance in reverse. So again, with this card here, guys, in your work situation, you have faced a lot of trials, lot of difficulties, and your impatience or your attitude towards your situation today must be really grounded. You must be ready to see what is happening in your situation today, so that way you will be able to see things clearly, and you will be able to find that balance. So no matter what your situation is, guys, you will be able to find balance, guys, Aries. So that is the energy with these cards, Aries. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the Pick a Card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. You can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is the card. For those who chose this card, it says TikTok. So this card just means that there is a divine timing working in our situation, guys, working in our life, and we need to understand that whatever is happening in our life, we should let go of the need to shape each and every moment according to our expectation, knowing that what is ours will always be ours, and there is no need for us to worry, no need for us to make a lot of efforts for that, because what is destined to be ours will always be ours. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So the same way in our relationship, we have a particular cycle, guys, each and every one of us, just like the cycle, the physical cycle of our body, it has a particular productive cycle. The same way our love, whatever is preordained, cannot change. So everything has its season, and at the appropriate timing the right relationship will come towards us, and we will be in we should just be ready to receive it, nurture it, and enjoy it at that time, at that right time. And we need to understand that this clock is eternal, and it ticks according to the beating of our heart, guys. And the love that is destined to be with us will always be on the right time, and we need not worry, guys. So at the right appropriate timing, everything will be ours, and we can relax and no need to worry. So maybe in your life today, you are expecting certain things and you are worried that you are losing time. Maybe right now you just have to relax, just see what is going on in your present life and be happy for what is happening today and be content with that, because at the appropriate timing whatever you expect will come true, but you need to just wait, guys. That is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, it is cooperate. So with this card, it just means that we have to be more cooperative. We have to have that sense of community in our life, guys. So at times of difficulty, we always work with people. We cooperate selflessly and we help to build our family and community. And when we work with people, it helps us to go over the differences we have with each other. It helps us to build bridges where there was only division in our life. So the same way in your relationship today, maybe it is time for you to cooperate with this other person. Maybe guide them or help them out in whatever way possible. You need to work together as a team, encourage each other's skills and talents and work together, so that way great things can be achieved in your life for you. And when you work together, when you put both your strengths together, you become a very strong team and you are able to find better solutions for yourself. And when you work together with this other person in this relationship, maybe you are having some troubles in this connection, you want to change the way things are, you need to go for this attitude, guys. Work towards that problem to solve it together with both of you giving inputs, so that way you will be able to find a better solution for the troubles you are facing in your relationship today, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose the second card, that is the reading for y'all, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.